Hey guys, what's going on? Nick Subaru Wrx, and we're back. Yeah, this is about a week or two after the last video. I popped a bag. I am up on the, well, I had to use the wood here to get up at first, but then I realized that it was holding a little bit of air while it was stationary, so I was able to fit the jack under. But I don't know if you can tell, can't really see too good with this, but up there, yeah, she has a hole, left me stranded on the side of the highway for about 2 hours or so. So yeah, we are going to be replacing the bag. You have to find the specific part number for the exact one that you need, but this is the exact one. I ordered it from Throttle, who sourced it through Airlift, so this should be the exact same one, the same part number and everything. Yeah, so we're going to get started. So yeah, I haven't driven the car for a week or two because I've been waiting for this part. But yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking the 3 bolts up top and taking the wheel off. So I will catch up with you guys once I get that done in a few seconds here. All right, guys, so we got the bag out. I'm not even going to lie to you. I already finished the install, but we're going to get to that in a second. So here's my old bag. What we have here is obviously the rip. Air comes right out. Massive hole. Yeah, you could fit your finger in there. So these are the old style bags from what I was told. The bags that I bought, it was a little different in size compared to these, but actually now that they're off, it kind of seems like the exact same size now that I think about it. Just my top end here had a rise gradually to the middle, which, I mean, you probably can't tell in there. You can't. But yeah, I mean, I got them in. I'm not even gonna lie. A little bit of a different install than I was expecting, but nonetheless, they're in. Have it aired up right now. Obviously, it's holding the air. It's brand new. And yeah, I'm gonna put the bumper on, put the side skirts back on. Obviously, I'm putting the carbon fenders back on, and I'll catch up with you guys in a minute just to go over exactly what I did to put them on and make them work. All right, what's up, dude? So this is how it's sitting right now. Here she is. Yeah. Go around. I know it's nighttime. Clear taillights. I'll set you up right here. And we will get the exhaust clip. Now you're about a few feet away here.